Oh, what a day! What a lovely day!
Let me tell this guy. I want to tell you I appreciate you guys. God bless you, man.
That's safe.
No problem.
What? No! Hands up, don't shoot, man. It's you again. No justice, no peace. What's going on, dude?
What's up?
Not much, it's the same person. You remember me from a while back, right?
Yeah, you really can't come up moving forward, right?
Yeah.
What's up?
I was just messing with you. I was like, let me see if I pull the bike back, he'll whip around thinking I'm an unregistered bike.
Yeah, that's what it does.
Yeah.
That's alright,
It happens, right? It's all fun and games.
How you been?
Cat and mouse, good. How about you guys? You guys been good?
Can't complain, man. Summer's almost over, so.
I'm finally off probation, man. I'm good.
Where'd you get off?
When the whole corona thing started, you know, they started letting people off a couple months earlier. It's not bad.
I mean, good for you, man.
Yeah.
Everything's like squared away.
Yeah, it was all bullshit on the bike anyways, you know. I don't do drugs, I don't drink, I just fuck around a lot on the bike.
Well, that's not to get you in trouble, too.
Yeah.
See you later.
Alright, man, take it easy.
I'm gonna go ask this cop if I'm allowed to do wheelies over here, because I always do. I'm gonna ask him. What's up? Good, how are you? I got a quick question. Do you know if you're allowed to do wheelies here?
Yeah, as long as you're not throwing up pavement.
Really? Sick. Cool, thank you. That was all I was wondering. Pound it.
Hey, man.
Thank you.
Not too bad, how are you?
Why'd you pull back in when you saw me?
Oh,
Because
I...
get pulled over?
What?
You didn't want to get pulled over?
Well, I'm legal.
Well, no, so I stopped you because I couldn't see that plate.
Oh.
Like, because normal, well, one, it's upside down. And two, this, three, that's expired.
In Pennsylvania, they don't give us a tag anymore, I'll show you.
I'll run it to make sure. Is this registered to this bike, though?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I have everything right here.
You match. A lot of orange.
I know, I'm Power Ranger.
There you go. Where are you heading to?
My buddy has a bike like this. I'm going to Asheville.
Okay.
We're gonna go
All
riding.
right, man. So yeah, the reason I stopped you is when I was behind you, I couldn't see that plate. Right?
Okay.
And because it's facing kind of upwards, and it's the incorrect way. It is on there, but.
Well, I don't really know how else I can mount it. Can I get off?
Most of the time, they got to be the right way.
Can I get off?
You know what I mean? Yeah, you're good, man.
Okay.
Most of the time, they got to be the right way.
Okay.
And that shows it's expired because we can tell by the color of the sticker too.
Well, I bought this bike from 3Cs, or I didn't,
Okay.
but a friend of mine did, and there's no way for me to mount it this way.
Yeah. I mean, listen, you got it on there. That's really the most important thing. But it's tough for us when we're behind you.
Oh, no,
because it's facing up, we can't see it.
Let's see here. Somewhere in here. Is this it or is this bill of sale? Nope, that's bill of sale.
I can just check it in my system, man.
Okay.
That way we'll speed this up, and as long as everything's good, you're good. We don't have no issues.
Yeah. Here's my license. If you want to see that I have a
PA
motorcycle
driver's
license.
license?
Yep. This one? Alright, no.
Just hang tight. You're
Yep,
good.
no problem. I found him.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, okay.
When I run you in PA, it doesn't show the M on there, but it has an M on there. It's valid. You've never had a license in New York?
Never, not yet.
Okay. Yeah, you're good. The other thing I'm going to tell you about, another reason I stopped you, we've gotten like 10 complaints for dirt bikes.
Oh, really?
Driving like fast and through here.
I don't know.
I'm not saying it's you.
I've learned my lesson on this road.
I'm not saying it's you. I'm just saying, you know,
Oh,
that
no.
you live right there. So,
I completely understand. I've learned my lesson on this road. Actually, I got 2 years ago, I got a 50 and a 35.
That'll do it.
So I know all about, same with Wellman Road, I've gotten 70
Wellman
and a 40.
Road's a 45 too.
Yeah,
that's a tricky spot.
Used to be 55 when I was a kid.
Yeah, that's a tricky spot. All right, man, but you're all set, okay?
Okay.
Thanks for your cooperation. Like I said, the issue was I couldn't see that because that's facing up.
Okay.
So like when I'm behind you,
Is it illegal to put my plate underneath?
it has to be visible, right? So like the reason I stopped you, that's not visible.
Okay.
Once I got up closer to you, I could see you. I could see it. I don't know if you could take this off and just mount it farther back, so that way it's some people create like a little bracket and have it hang down.
I have 2 bolts here and I have
Yeah.
1 here.
Okay.
But I'm kind of
Yeah.
leery with
Yeah.
only 1.
Yeah.
I've never owned a bike like this.
You know what? It's not the end of the world, man. You got it registered. You got a good license. You're doing it right. So I'll leave you alone. All right?
Yeah, do you ride?
Oh, I wish. I'm too fat to fit on one of those.
No,
things.
you get a Harley.
Good.
What
Leaned way
What
back.
year's this?
2020.
What's it got? Does it have Hellcat in it? But hey,
You won't get bothered. I
I
can't
don't know-
shake your hand because of COVID. But
Oh.
we can do that, man.
all right. You have a good night. Thank you.
Alright. Not too bad now.
Operating speed check, we're back down to 50. We're doing 73.
Oh shit, I was literally just pulled off. I have the camera on, I was only pulled over for 2 seconds and I thought I was going into the 80 zone there. Oh, good.
Have you license with you?
I do indeed. I literally just pulled over there to turn the camera on and I thought I was in the 50 going into the 80 there.
Okay, you're waiting to check. I'd say you might be in a bit of bother there too, would you?
What's that now, the tyres?
Yeah.
No, they're grand, I was just back.
They're not grand.
Huh?
One thing they're not.
No?
No.
I only got them about 3 months ago, but I'm just back from a tour I was doing.
Rub your hand off it.
Sorry?
Oh,
It's only kind of balding in the middle because I'm doing a lot of motorway riding, like, but it's
where the accidents happen, really.
yeah, but I don't think it's near bald yet because I only got the new about 3 months ago.
Okay, well, sure up. Not going to get the argument that you know about fucking ball tires.
Oh no, that's okay.
That's what I have you for.
Yeah.
You'll be done for a fortune, but... Inside the road and checkpoint, I wouldn't be happy with him now, I won't lie to you.
Okay, I understand that. So I am just back. I know it's fair enough.
I show you the difference here, look. You see here, the treads are here.
Yeah.
You even see the treads on this side.
Yeah.
You know? There's no treads in the middle there. No, I hear what you're saying. If you rub your hand along there, the treads are gone off it. There's no grip.
Yeah, and
So if you were sliding, let's say, go along the bike, let's say you have to brake something,
yeah,
she'll only tear along the road. There's no grip to
yeah, in the middle, yeah.
to pull her back. So it's for your own benefit you start that out.
No, I understand. I was only back from
She's taxing here,
She is, yeah. I have it under the seat because it actually got robbed there. I'll get a bit.
and look at the just for your own benefit there, just say, in the villages, that's why we try to get people slow down.
Yeah, no, I'd actually like to look back in the camera because I just pulled over because I make the videos and I was just pulled over to swap the batteries out because I like to have it on for the own reasons anyway, and I knew it was in a 50 but I didn't know when it went into 80 then. but it obviously went up too early today.
Yeah.
Apologies about that.
Oh, no problem.
Sorry.
Okay, take care.
Yeah, what's happening, bro?
What's the problem, man? Why y'all doing that?
Bring the madness.